वेलकम टू यम करी एंड आई एम प्रज्ञा। आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं माय फेवरेट आइसक्रीम विच इज़ चोकोबार आइसक्रीम। बचपन में हम ये बहुत खाया करते थे और इसको घर पे बनाना बहुत सिंपल है। सो लेट्स डू इट।
Take 500 ml of chilled whipping cream in a bowl. Now use a beater to beat it. Use a chilled bowl for better result. Now add chilled condensed milk and vanilla essence to it. Beat it again until stiff peaks are formed. Look how creamy it looks. Now pour the ice cream into the molds. Freeze it for at least 8 hours. Now for the chocolate syrup, heat 2 cups water in a saucepan. Place a bowl and add chocolate to it. Let the chocolate melt completely. Turn off the heat and add oil and mix it well. Now take out the ice cream and dip it in water for few seconds. It helps in taking out the ice cream from the mold smoothly. Now the final and my favorite step. Dip the ice cream in the chocolate syrup completely. Look how cool it looks. I hope you liked this recipe. Do try it at home and I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye.